Hello! Let me show you how to translate your Excel file using ChaGPT5 and also using your own glossary. So, as you can see, here we have an Excel file. Let's look what's inside. This is inside, okay? So let's close it and let's go to Bohemicus and specify our source language, which is English, and also our target language, which is Spanish. If you want to choose another language, you can either choose it from the list, or you can also quickly type your particular language. So, as you can see, when you start typing Spanish on your keyboard, Spanish will be chosen here. Also, right now we need to choose our translation engine. So we want to choose ChatGPT. So let's choose it here. And also we want to specify which version of ChaGPT we want to use. And we want to use the ChaGPT5 and the Nano variant. So let's choose it here. And then also we want to specify our glossary. So let's go to this glossary tab and let's go to our glossary, which I have prepared here in Excel. Let's open it. As you can see, here we have the glossary and we want to use it in our translation. So what I can do is to simply choose to select all the glossary entries and then just copy it. So you can press Ctrl plus C to copy it, and then you can go to Bohemicus and press Ctrl plus V to paste it into Bohemicus. So as you can see, it's nicely pasted here. And now what we could also do, we could provide some additional instructions. So for the sake of this video, let's just use formal voice. Use formal voice. And now you would simply click the Save button. So now everything is prepared. So we can go to the Stratos/Cats tab, and then we would simply drag and drop our Excel file onto Bohemicus. So we have it here now. And now simply click this Translate button. So let's click it. ChatGPT is fairly slow at translating files. It's translating texts, so we would need to wait a little bit for it to finish. As you can see, the progress is indicated here. And as you can see, it's been successfully finished. All files, our Excel file is now translated. So let's click Close. And we can go back to our folder and let's quickly check if it has been translated. And as you can see, everything is in Spanish now. So this is how you translate your Excel file using ChatGPT5 and your own glossary. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.